Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sri Suryanti with NPM 224117 from Management Class 22 Digital Marketing Management. Here I will explain the material impact of digital media and technology on the marketing mix. The role of digital media in modern marketing. Digital media now plays an important role in modern marketing strategies with advances in technology. Digital media has enabled companies to reach a wider and more diverse audience. Interaction between companies and customers become more personal and direct, enabling more effective and relevant communication according to consumer needs. In addition, digital media allows for more dynamic and enjoyable product promotion. Companies and leverage data and analysis to optimize their marketing campaigns, tailor messengers to target market, and make sure their effectiveness in real time. This makes digital media invaluable in building strong relationship between companies and customers in the modern era. 1. Increases brand awareness. Increases brand awareness. Digital media, especially social media, plays an important role in building brand awareness. With platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, companies can reach a wider audience and increases their brand exposure. Relevant and interesting content can be shared to attract customer attention and create a strong brand identity in the market. 2. Reach a wider audience. Digital marketing allows companies to reach a larger audience compared to traditional marketing methods. With the use of data analysis tool, market can target audience based on demographic, interest, and behavior, so that interaction with potential consumer become direct and personalized. This is especially important in an era where many people spend time online. 3. Real-time interaction with customer. So, real-time interaction with customer, one of the great advantages of digital marketing is the ability to interact directly with customer through various communication channels such as chatbot and online customer service. This provides consumer with a more personalized experiences and help building long-term relationship between brands and customer. Quick responses to questions or input from users can also increase customer loyalty. 4. Cost efficiency. So, cost efficiency digital marketing is often more cost effective compared to traditional methods such as television or print advertising. This allows small business to compete with larger companies in terms of brand visibility without having to ensure her costs. Additionally, digital companies and can be accurately measured and analyzed to assist their effectiveness so companies can make necessary adjustment to improve results. Next, impact of technology on product. Technology has a significant impact on product and continues to evolve, influencing the way products are created, developed, distributed, and consumed by customers. Some of the most relevant impact of technology on product include 1. Product innovation. So, product innovation technology allows companies to create more innovative and sophisticated products. Through technology-based research and development, companies can identify features that increases product value. For example, in the electronic industry, products such as smartphones continue to experience improvement in specifications such as processor speed, camera quality, and AI capabilities. Technology such as the Internet of Things also support smart home product and healthy devices that can monitor user condition in real time. 2. 2. Product customization and personalization. With the support of data and technology, product can now be tailored to individual needs and preferences. Companies can collect customer behavior data to create more personalized product preferences such as beauty apps that recommended product according to skin types or streaming platforms that display content based on user interest. 3. Increased efficiency and reduction of production costs. Technology also derives production efficiency, automation, and the use of robots in the production process have reduced labor cost and reduce error. Technologies such as computer-aided design, CAD, and 3D printing speed up to prototyping process and reduce development costs, which result in product quality and lower selling prices. 4. Environmentally friendly product development. Technology enables the creation of more environmentally friendly products with efficiency as of energy, resilient material, and low emission production process. This appeals to customers who are increasingly concerned about sustainability and environmental impact. The impact of e-commerce and digital platforms on pricing policy. Electronic commerce, e-commerce, and digital platforms have significantly changed the way companies set prices and interact with consumers. In this context, there are several main impacts that need to be considered. 1. Implementation of dynamic pricing. One of the most prominent impacts of e-commerce is the implementation of dynamic pricing. These strategies allow companies to adjust product prices in real time, depending on various factors such as market demand, competition, and operational costs. For example, platforms like Shopee use dynamic pricing to offer competitive prices, which can ultimately attract more consumers and increase sales. However, although this strategy is profitable in terms of sales, dynamic pricing can also raise ethical issues if customers feel that the price affiliates are not fair or transparent. 2. Time price competition. E-commerce creates a very competitive environment where many platforms offer product prices that are much lower than traditional retailers. This situation often leads to predatory pricing practices where companies offer extremely low price to eliminate competitors. Indonesia Ministry of Trade has observed that prices on online platforms are often cheaper than in physical stores, which can be detrimental to small and medium enterprises that find it difficult to compete on cost. 3. Influence on regulatory policy. As e-commerce develops, the government is starting to implement regulation to maintain healthy competition. Provided guidelines to prevent predatory pricing practices and ensure all players in the market operate fairly. This regulation aims to protect SMEs and maintain market stability in the long term. 4. Price transparency and customer loyalty. E-commerce encourages great price transparency, where customers can easily compare prices from different sellers. This motivates companies to be more transparent in their pricing policy to remain competitive. However, if customers feel that they are being charged here prices that other customers, for example, took dynamic pricing, this could reduce customer loyalty. The influence of social media, digital advertising, and influencer marketing in promotional strategies. The influence of social media, digital advertising, and influencer marketing in promotional strategies is very significant in the current digital era. Next, there is an explanation of how these their aspect influence a company promotional strategies. One, influence of social media. Social media has become a key tool in many companies' marketing strategies. The use of platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter enables two-way interaction between brand and customer, which not only increases brand awareness but also customer loyalty. Research show that social media can expand market reach at a lower cost than traditional methods. Next, cost efficiency. Social media allow companies to carry out promotional at lower cost compared to traditional advertising such as brochures or advertisement in print media. Next, direct interaction. Customer can provide feedback directly, which help companies understand customer needs and print preferences. Next, increased sales. Active marketing activities on social media have been proven to increase product sales significantly. For example, MSME players who actively promote their product on social media report increases in the number of customers and transactions. To customize advertising messengers. Next, effectiveness measurement. Companies can easily measure the ROI of digital advertising campaigns through data analysis, allowing them to adjust strategies in real time. Next, creativity in messaging. Digital advertising provides the opportunity to us a variety of creative formats such as videos, interactive images, and shareable content, making it more engaging for consumers. 3. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing involves collaborating with influential individuals on social media to promote product or service. Influencers have the power to influence the purchasing dedication of their followers. Next, trust and credibility. Influencers are often considered trusted sources of information by their followers, so their recommendation can increase a brand credibility. Next, access to new audiences. Working with influencers allow brands to reach new audiences that might not be reached through traditional marketing channels. Next, engaging content. Influencers typically produce creative content that grabs the audience attention. 3B, increasing the chances of the product being seen and purchased. Okay, that's all my explanation of the material. Hopefully, it's easy to understand and comprehend. If there is a wrong pronunciation of sentences or word, I apologize. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.